Keen-eyed viewers would have found this problem way before I even showed it in this video, but 4 years ago, I installed a set of angel eyes on my NC Miata, took apart the headlights, put them in, wired them in, everything. They've been great, but the day has finally come to replace them. When you're pulling up to all the meets, you just cannot have broken LEDs. It's not the move. Let's fix them. That's right, so over the past year or so, I've started to notice this issue just in photos, videos, things like that, is one little LED went out, then two, then three, and now they're all spread apart throughout the LED ring of just going out. And it's been, like I said, 4 years, so I'm happy with how long they've lasted. Not looking forward to the process of replacing them, but I did pick something a little bit different, and I think it'll look a lot better. I ordered a one size up, so a little bit bigger size, and I ordered the cover for it, so you won't like see the LEDs, like the individual LEDs anymore. It'll be like a white little cover with the white wheels. I think it might look pretty cool. You also notice that the side skirts aren't painted yet. That's because I'm still waiting on paint. I don't know, paint's stupid. There's back orders and backlogs and supply and demand and all kinds of goofy stuff, partially the vibe. I haven't even driven the car. It's been so hot. Finally cooled down a little bit. Rained last night, which I'm super excited about. And now we can be out here and probably get an hour in before we start sweating. But I need to take the front bumper off. You guys have seen that many times. If you haven't, go click up here. I've got a tutorial on how to do it, like a how-to video on how to take the bumper off and remove the headlights. So go check that out if you want already. But otherwise, I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'll show you the LED rings first and then we'll take the front bumper off. I guess the fun thing about starting this video is this box has all my like to install stuff in it, and a lot of things in here I ordered a while ago. And I forgot that also in this video, we're gonna be installing an HID kit because it is 2010 all over again. Yeah, I've also done the LED bulbs, and I knew there's a reason why I had both of these is because really there's no point in taking the bumper off and the headlights out to put the light bulbs in if I'm not gonna just go ahead and do the angel eye rings here, which are from SuperBrightLEDs. It's the site that I get all of my LED bulbs from unless they don't have something. And here are the little covers. So these covers will go over our black LED, no, yellow LEDs. It's just a black LED ring. So I think it'll look really cool with this and then the cover over it, especially with the white wheels, like I said. So I don't know, hard to picture, but we're gonna see if we can clean up my headlights a little bit too. They're a little worn, but let's see what we can do. We're just gonna do like a front end refresh today, as the title of the video says. Okay, bumper is off. I'm gonna go through and just do like a little bit of other maintenance. I'm gonna chase all the threads. I noticed a few of the the holes where the bolts go were a little chewed up, so we'll chase those threads. And otherwise, it's pretty easy to take out your headlight after this. You just kind of disconnect it from the back. Easy peasy, no big deal. There we go. Headlights are out. So now we gotta throw these in the oven and start working. And just quick reference, we've got our bulbs in these. I had to do these universal wire things and they don't stick in, so I had to do a little screwery, I guess you could call it. But these work now, so we'll be wiring our little side markers in two. And then I replaced a resistor because I was getting hyper flash. It had just disconnected, but I replaced it on the driver's side turn signal, so no more hyper flash. And then finally, for those of you who are interested in kind of how this has been wired, so we're running an LED bulb with the little dust cover and everything. I forgot I've modified these. You know, sometimes you go back and you wonder why you do something. Jackson's kind of wondering why he did something there, but we'll get it all worked out. And then the dust cover, and then with the dust cover off, you can see that the little red and black cables here, what are they wired into? Oh, they just go into the housing itself and come out the boot and connect into the power source here. So that's basically how it's been wired, and it's lasted well. It's worked well. There's no water in the headlights or anything. Yeah, so we should be good. So let's go get the bacon. All right, both of our headlights are now all assembled back together, and man, it looks so good with the like black and then clear frame, or clear lenses, the reflectors and everything. It looks way better than the old ones, and I cleaned out the insides of the headlights, made a huge difference. So now we got to put in the HID kit that I got. I don't really remember what I ordered. It's just like a, I don't know. I don't really drive at night, so I didn't order anything super fancy. And before anyone says anything, oh, your headlights aren't the HID version, blah, 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 blah. I know, okay? I know, I've heard it. I get it. I get your concerns, but let's just not worry about it. It's a basic kit. It should be plug and play. It's made for the car. It comes with the bulbs, the ballasts, and the converter box thing, and all of this stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can just mount the little box to the bottom of the headlight like it does come factory. That would be really useful. And I'll see what I can do. I'm gonna unbox everything, take a look at it, and then we're gonna get to a little bit of wiring, test everything out, and then I'll show you guys the final product. I mean, I'm so stoked on the headlights alone with the new angel eyes and the halos, whatever you want to call them. So good. Just quick preview. The light isn't bolted in or anything like that, and it's really gross. It's really hot out here, and I'm super sweaty. So there's kind of a sample of what it looks like. Oh, it looks so good with like the clear lens. So stoked on that. So if we come in here and we turn on our auxiliary lights, we have our new angel eye. It looks so good. I love it. Almost looks very Tony Stark like. And obviously we've got our little LED there that is no longer hyper flashing, which is great. And with one HID bulb in, we have light as well. That's really cool. I was able to attach the ballast. I think this is the ballast or the converter, whatever this is called, to the bottom of the headlight. So now it'll go in and out with the headlight. And yeah, we're gonna have some HIDs, and obviously you're gonna see some night shots. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the other one in, get everything wired up. I'll show you guys that the turn signals are wired in there. Otherwise, I'm just gonna try to knock this out. This has got to be the last day of this heat. Man, it's been a brutal day. It's not that this process is hard, it just takes a long time, a lot of steps, but here we go. Both headlights are bolted in, and we need to clean them up still. I've got the lens repair kit that I'm just gonna do, but otherwise, man, let me turn the lights on for you. So it's gonna be really blown out in camera, but you can see right there, there's one, and there is the other. Both of the HID lights work. I'm not gonna do this by hand. All right, and these look a lot better. I wouldn't say like 100 times better or a million times better, but much clearer, much cleaner. I used these Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer Lens Restorer. This was the top rated one that I just found online that I would find in a store. It comes with all kinds of stuff. Not sponsored. Turtle Wax, if you want to sponsor me, feel free to reach out, but otherwise, they're looking great. Really clear. I just put the lens coating on this one. This is the one that got hit, and it's been through quite a bit, and on camera it looks pretty dang good. I mean, genuinely surprised. I've never used one of these kits before, and my headlights weren't terrible, but man, it's pretty good. So now I just need to put all of this back together. So wish me luck. We're gonna snap to it. Once I'm done, you guys will see.
Okay, car's back down on the ground, wheels are on, everything is bolting down, tightened, whatever. Headlights look awesome. Very happy with it. And yeah, so let's pull the car out, go take some night shots.
So it's probably gonna be pretty difficult to see me, and I don't even know if I'm in focus right now, but the car looks amazing. The lights work perfectly, much brighter than the LED bulbs, which is to kind of be expected. There are better LED kits out there that, you know, you can get, a lot of people get, and they're fine, but I chose to go with the HID kit, just, you know, because it's a classic like 2010 mod, I guess. I don't know, I was feeling some type of way about it, but we've got our side markers working now. We've got our hyper flash fixed. We've got our new angel eyes with the covers, new HIDs, refreshed lenses. The whole front of the car is refreshed lighting wise, and I'm super stoked on it. Light cutoff for the HIDs isn't too bad either. I am on a slope, so that's why they're pointing very much at the ground, but really cool. Really love the vibe of the car. And I don't even know if I've showed you guys before, but this is how the NA taillights look at night. Not too bad. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. The car's looking great. Super excited to keep working on it. I've got a couple little things coming in the future still, waiting on parts, waiting on a lot of things, but we're doing our best to keep pumping out videos for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.